How exciting! This is not magic, this is chemistry. And this is the magic of science. We are going to use potassium permanganate, sugar, to make a fire without a light. But how? First, potassium permanganate. One, 2, 3, 4. Next, sugar, sucrose, C12, H22, O11. How much? Same amount of sugar.
4, 5, 6.
Mix them well. Mix them well. Be sure that is mixed very well. Now, what can we do? Let me pour it on the surface. We are going to talk about the reaction between potassium permanganate and sugar. For this reaction, we need an initial heat. But how can we provide this initial heat? With using this. But what is this? I'm going to use this to make friction. This friction makes heat. Needed heat for this chemical reaction. Let's see, it works or not. Are you ready? Ready? Go ahead. How exciting! This is not magic, this is chemistry. And this is the magic of science. So, do not forget, next time when you are going to go to the nature, have potassium permanganate in your survival bag.